Hi, Maddie Martin here for Smith.ai. I want to talk about a very important subject today, which is legal disclaimers on website chat. And this is something that doesn't just apply to law firms. It's actually a number of different practice areas and professional services who need disclaimers in chat. And it's really sort of an underlooked subject. So I want to talk about it for a moment today. Now, let's think about website chat. You are operating a professional services business. Maybe it's an IT firm, managed services provider, a law firm, a financial or wealth advisor, and you've got someone who's on your website and they want to chat with you. But normally when they chat with you by phone, by email, in person, you have a disclaimer up front that that's not going to be before, a client has signed on for your services, legal or financial or technical advice. You want to do the exact same thing with website chat. So when someone is on your website and you have a chat pop up, there's a little message that appears. And you can have a canned message that says a normal greeting, and it also says something that's a disclaimer so that when the person enters their name, their email, optionally their phone number, and begins a chat with you, they've already read the disclaimer and they understand that by chatting, they agree to that. Now, what does the disclaimer mean? The disclaimer normally says, this does not establish an attorney-client relationship. This does not constitute legal advice. This does not constitute financial advice. This does not constitute technical IT advice. And as a result, if you're working on your computer and you read a blog article that's suggested to you within the chat, for example, then that IT firm is not going to be on the hook for replacing your computer if you mess up, for example. Or if you take the guidance that is given to read an article about a legal issue on a law firm's website, which is given to you through the chat, and if you share information about your legal issue that you're looking to get help potentially from that law firm, again, it's not an attorney-client privilege. It's not already an established attorney-client relationship. Whatever the outcome or the discussion or dialogue during the chat, it's not protected by that client privilege that happens when you sign on with a law firm, with a financial services firm, with an IT firm. There are very clear rules and regulations around these industries in particular. Obviously, also medical is related here and many other areas. So be mindful of always putting a disclaimer. If you are a professional services business that has rules and regulations around it, or it's within your personal comfort zone, even if it's not regulated. For example, if you're giving plumbing tools and tips, if you are giving any sort of home ec or home maintenance tools and advice, and that's what your website or your business does, consider how you can have a disclaimer in your chat to make sure that you are giving the best customer service by setting expectations really clearly upfront. If you have any questions, feel free to check out the link in the video description where we talk more about disclaimers in chat, and sign up for a free trial of our website chat service, which is live staff 24/7. We also have a 24/7 chat bot that's totally free to use. Smith.ai is the website, and we would love to show you what we can do.